Bonjour, I am Jacques Torres and welcome to Tuesday Tip. I want to show you one of my favorite desserts, which is Crème Brûlée. I discovered Crème Brûlée when I started at Le Cirque about almost 35 years ago, and I remember to eat few of them one after the other because I love this dessert so much. It's very rich, so don't eat too much of it, but it's delicious. So 500 grams of cream, heavy cream. You can put half and half, but I think the richness of the cream is the best. Then 1 vanilla beans that you will open in half. Scrape the beans into the cream. And also you can put the vanilla beans into the cream. And then we're going to put that into the stove and just bring it to a boil. On the meantime, I'm going to mix 4 egg yolks with half of the sugar, and the sugar is about 80 grams for that recipe. For egg yolk, about 40 grams here and about 40 grams into the cream. Okay, now I'm going to mix the egg yolk and the sugar together. So I bring the cream to a boil, and I did leave the vanilla beans inside. So what I'm going to do now is pour a little bit of the cream into the yolk. It's called tempering. So we temper the yolk. Okay, good enough. What I need to do is to pass the mixture through a thin sieve, and the mixture for the crème brûlée is ready. I need to put it on the mold. So my crème brûlée mixture is ready. I'm going to put that into a container to make it easy for me to pour it into the mold. And all I have to do is pour this mixture there all the way to the top. I'm going to put that in the oven, and then what you do, you shake them slowly, and then when you see that they are not liquid anymore, that's when they are ready. The oven is at 250 degrees, so don't go too high. And basically, if you use a convection oven, you don't have to put a double boiler, you don't have to put any water into your pan. But if it's a regular oven with no convection, you have to put a little water in it to stop the heat to separate the eggs. The crème brûlée now are cold, and it's time to put the sugar. So I have some brown sugar, light brown sugar, and I just want to spread a little bit of the light brown sugar on top of the crème brûlée like that. Wait, I want to do that for a long time. Bon appétit. I hope that helped.